Imagine creating a beautiful professional website in just a few minutes without writing hundreds of lines of codes or even having knowledge about code. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to create a professional website. I'm going to show you how to do that using your Claude AI in order to build a modern website from scratch. So if you've never built a website before, you don't need to worry. If you don't even have any idea on how to do programming or writing code, you don't even need to worry. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to get that done, and I'm going to be exposing the best prompt you need to actually use in this video. So looking right here is my PC, as you can see. So the first step you need to take here is to go to your web browser. You can do that on your Chrome or on your Firefox like this. So you just need to go ahead and search for Claude AI. That is if you don't have the app already installed on your PC. Alright, here is where most people actually get it wrong. Some people might just go ahead and start typing something like build me a website like this, and they might be disappointed by the result that Claude AI is actually going to give them. But the truth is that Claude is as good as the instruction you actually gave it. So the more detailed your prompt is, the better your website is actually going to look like. So instead of being vague, you tell Claude exactly what you want. Start by describing what the website is for, who the target audience is for, the style you are aiming for. Now, for example, you can actually type in something like this. So let's say, for example, it is for a portfolio website or a restaurant website or a SaaS landing page or an online store or maybe a personal blog. So the more specific you are, the more the best results you are going to actually get with Claude AI. Now, this is actually an interesting part as well that you need to take note of. You need to tell Claude AI which section you want on the page. For example, a hero section with a headline, you need to make it clear to Claude AI exactly what you want. Now, if you want an about section, you need to actually include that as well on your prompt. So in your prompt as well, you need to include services or features or testimonials or pricing or frequently asked questions or contact form or a footer. Think of a website like building a blog. The more clear you describe the block, the closer the Claude gets to your vision. So you need to make this all clear on your prompt. So now, if you actually want a website code, not just the design, make sure to say that in your prompt. You can ask Claude to generate a clean cinematic HTML or a modern CSS. So now, if you actually want the website code, not just the design, you need to make sure you say that on your prompt as well. So you can simply ask Claude to generate a clean cinematic HTML or a modern CSS or an optional JavaScript for animation or creativity. So on your prompt as well, just like this, if you already have a logo or an image in mind, you need to tell Claude AI to include the image placeholders. You can also ask it for a descriptive alt text. Now, not only does this keep your website organized, it also makes it more accessible and CEO friendly. You can even specify things like bottom lines, hover effects, call to action text, typography, spacing, icons. Every little details actually helps Claude understand exactly what you are trying to build. So before hitting the send button, just like this, looking right here, you can see the send button. So before hitting the send button, just take at least 15 seconds of your time to read through the prompt to know exactly what you wrote, if it actually suits the website that you are trying to create. So once you're done confirming the prompt, the next step you need to take here is to click on send, just like this. Looking right here, you can see that it is now loading. So you just need to wait patiently for the Claude to be able to create the website for you. Once it is done creating it, if you scroll down a little bit downwards, just like this, let me scroll down a little bit like this. So if you scroll down a little bit like this, downwards like this, you're going to be able to see this place here. You can see the website right here. So if you click on it in order to expand it, you'd be able to see the website that you are actually working on. So a lot of people would actually end up leaving it this way. If there's any other thing you want to actually change on the website after viewing it like this, you can actually send a command to Claude AI, and Claude AI is actually going to update the website for you. So this is how simple it is for you to create a website, a clean website, using your Claude AI and just a prompt. So if you found this guide helpful, now do it to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.